Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fundrise for passive income, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Fundrise, visit their website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Next, verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your account using your new credentials. Once logged in, take a look at the investment options available. Fundrise offers various plans, so choose one that aligns with your financial goals. Read through each plan's details to understand the associated risks and potential returns. After selecting a plan, click on the Invest button. Enter the amount of money you wish to invest. Review the investment summary carefully. Ensure that you understand the fees associated with your investment. If everything looks good, proceed to confirm your investment. Link your bank account for funding. Follow the prompts to complete the bank linking process. Once your bank account is linked, transfer your investment funds. Review your investment dashboard to track your portfolio. You will receive regular updates on your investments via email. Be patient, as real estate investments typically take time to show returns. Consider reinvesting your dividends to grow your portfolio further. Stay informed about the real estate market trends that may affect your investments. Fundrise also provides educational resources, so take advantage of them. Check your investment performance periodically through your dashboard. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed based on your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.